Ready? Start. The gig and platform economy has emerged as a major force in the modern labor market, transforming the way we work and earn a living. Stop. It refers to a system in which temporary, freelance, or contract work is facilitated by digital platforms or online marketplaces. Stop. These platforms provide a range of services such as ride hailing, food delivery services, home sharing, and freelance work like tutoring, translating, transcribing, repairing, etc. Stop. This system is based on digital platforms and online marketplaces that connect workers with short term freelance or contract work. Stop. These platforms have created new opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. Stop. However, the gig and platform economy has also raised concerns about job security, worker benefits, and exploitation. Stop. As this system continues to grow and evolve, it is important to understand its pros and cons in order to shape policies that promote a fair and sustainable future of work. Stop. One of the main advantages of the gig and platform economy is that it provides workers with greater flexibility and autonomy. Stop. Workers can choose when and where they work and can often choose which jobs to accept. Stop. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who need to balance work with other responsibilities such as caring for children or elderly relatives. Stop. Additionally, the gig and platform economy has created new opportunities for individuals who may not have been able to participate in traditional labor markets, such as those with disabilities or those who live in remote areas. Stop. However, the gig and platform economy also has its drawbacks. Stop. One of the main concerns is the lack of job security and benefits for workers. Stop. Gig workers are typically classified as independent contractors rather than employees, which means they are not entitled to benefits such as health insurance, sick leave, or retirement plans. Stop. Additionally, gig workers may not have the same protections as employees, such as the right to unionize or the ability to file for workers' compensation. Stop. Another concern is the potential for exploitation of workers. Stop. Some companies in the gig and platform economy have been accused misclassifying workers as independent contractors in order to avoid providing benefits and protections. Stop. Additionally, some workers may be forced to accept low wages due to the competitive nature of the platform economy, which can result in poor working conditions and low job satisfaction. Stop.